On the 8th of March 2020, we started the second leg of our journey. This was from the city of Dwarka to the Union Territory of Diu. On the way, our plan was to see the Somnath temple. Initially, we thought of staying at Somnath. However, since the temple was on the way to Diu, we thought of seeing the Somnath temple on the way and go to Diu. The distance from Dwarka to Diu is around 306 kilometers and takes around 7 hours. We travelled through the coastal highway of the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. This highway is among the best of the highways in the country and is very scenic. On one side is the sea at a distance, and on the other side we see vast stretches of land filled with thousands of windmills. A major part of this highway is made of concrete. Driving on this highway is surely a pleasure for all those people who love to drive. Moreover, I found that traffic was also very less on this highway. The day before starting this trip, we drove to Dwarka and stayed a night there at Toran Tourist Bungalow, maintained and operated by Gujarat Tourism. I have given the links to the review video of the Toran Tourist Bungalow, places to see in Dwarka, and also our drive to Dwarka in the description box below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more travel videos and information in the future. On this highway there are almost no restaurants or eateries before Porbandar, so while driving it is advisable to carry plenty of food items with you. Also, I noticed that on quite a few toll plazas on this highway, no tolls were being taken from small cars. As a result of this, I saved approximately 250 to 300 rupees, although I do not know the reason why tolls were not being taken from small cars. Initially, we thought of staying at Somnath. However, the hotels there are very expensive, so we decided to move on and go to Diu. Diu is very expensive, so I decided to stay at Una, just outside of Diu. However, if you want to enjoy non-veg food and hard drinks and price is not a problem for you, then you can stay in Diu. There are many good hotels and resorts in Diu. The place itself is very different and have lots of European influence on the lifestyle of the people there, the architecture, etc. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for upcoming videos on places to see in Diu and the next part of this trip to the Gir National Park. Crossing the city of Porbandar, the roads are very neat and clean. This is a small neighborhood that we are passing through in order to touch the highway again. now connected to the highway. The views on the right side seem to have only three things: water, sand and the sky. Now we are passing through a stretch of the highway covered fully with trees. As we move forward, the tree cover increases considerably. As we drove along this highway, the sea on the right side came much nearer. At the beautiful and calm Madhavpur beach, where the sea is the nearest to this highway. After spending a little time at the Madhavpur beach, where we enjoyed camel ride, had some fresh coconut water and clicked some photos, it was time to move on. After this, we started to move inwards and the sea disappeared in the background. Suddenly the vegetation changed drastically and we saw thousands of coconut trees. At a certain point we thought we were travelling in Goa or Kerala and not in the coastal region of Gujarat. It was indeed a mesmerizing view. At about 3 p.m. it was time to have our lunch, and this was the place where we stopped for it. Almost all types of food were available here. Needless to say, all were veg. We had masala dosa and pav bhaji, and the food quality was excellent. We reached Somnath and entering the parking. This parking is huge and is situated around 500 meters from the temple complex entrance. Before entering the temple complex, all our belongings like bags, mobiles, cameras, etc. needs to be deposited at the lockers. These are very secured and a token is issued on deposit of the items. A light and sound show is held in the evening at the temple complex. Do not miss this one. Photography is strictly prohibited inside the temple. The temple can be seen at a distance. We reached Hotel Matangi in Una, situated just outside of Diu. This is a very good and pocket-friendly hotel. I booked this from MakeMyTrip.com. This hotel did not have a restaurant, so we had to go for dinner outside. Having paneer with mushroom and butter naan for our dinner. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video with all those who love to travel, drive and see new places.